Friends, do you speak broken English and you are not happy with your English? Instead of being happy that you are speaking English, you are not happy, you are still feeling embarrassed. And this is the main reason because of which sometimes you start regretting that I am not able to speak and I'm not gonna learn this language anymore. I'm gonna give up because you are not improving, still you are speaking broken English. So if you want to fix this problem of speaking broken English, then this video is going to help you a lot. So please watch this video till the very end so that you can fix or you can speak fluent English. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Friends, my name is Yashoda and welcome back once again. Friends, sometimes we feel regret. Sometimes we tend to give up because we are not getting our desired results. It means sometimes we are speaking broken English. We tend to speak broken English because it's not easy to speak fluent English just like a native speaker. So first of all, if you are the one who is speaking broken English, then first of all, or you want to improve your English, you want to speak fluent English, so first of all, you have to appreciate yourself that I am speaking broken English. There are a lot of people, there are a lot of learners, they don't have this much courage to go and to speak to someone because they don't want to speak, because they have a fear, they don't have this much confidence, they don't have this kind of motivation to go and speak with someone, because still they are facing this problem a lot that I'm not very good. Whenever I'm going to be fluent in speaking English, then I will start speaking. Okay, so this is a very big rumor. It's like a rumor, it's like a misconception that when you be good, when you be perfect in your grammar, in your pronunciation, in your everything, only then you're going to speak. You know, this is the way of learning anything. This is the natural process of learning anything. We are going, if we are here now and we want to go on the top, then we have to go ahead step by step. Only then we can. Otherwise we can't. And if you want to be there at the top from this place to direct, then definitely you will get hurt. Okay, it means it's not very easy. Who is in the habit of speaking English, then you have that courage of speaking to someone. You have that you have that confidence. That's why you are speaking. So instead of feeling embarrassed, embarrassed at your English, you should feel happy. You should proud at yourself that you have taken your first step and you are trying to speak at least. And friends, I just want to tell you, if you are speaking broken English and you want to fix this problem, then there are some tips that I'm going to give you that you have to follow if you want to fix this problem. The first one is start reading aloud. Yes, friends, reading is going to help you a lot. In such way, to some extent, this habit is going to help you a lot. So please get into the habit of reading if you want to fix this problem of speaking broken English. Why we are speaking broken English? Because we are not practicing our speaking. We are not doing our speaking practice a lot. That's why we tend to speak broken English. But if we want to fix this problem, then we should start reading aloud. Just have every kind of book, okay, and start reading aloud. And after 1 month, definitely you are going to speak a better English. Instead of speaking broken English, you are going to speak English fluently in a flow. Second tip. Second tip that I want to give you is you should start listening a lot. Listening and observing is very important if you want to start speaking English fluently. Friends, why we are speaking broken English? Because sometimes we forget some words. Like there is a sentence, we should respect our teachers. And you speak, we respect our teachers. And you forget that word should. It means you have forgotten only a single word, only a basic word, means this should word, and you know all the words, means all the words, what kind of words are present, are there in that sentence. It means you are not doing your listening practice actively. So I just want to give you this tip. If you want to listen, okay, so start listening actively. Okay, start your active listening. Okay, you don't need to only listen, just try to observe what kind of words they are using, what kind of structures they are using. And if you are in the habit of listening this kind of doing your practice of listening, then definitely you will get know all kind of rules and structures that we should use, okay, in our speaking. And the last one is speaking. Yes, friends, if you want to fix your problem of speaking broken English, then you should do your practice of speaking a lot. Try to speak as much as you can. Not only for 15 minutes or half an hour. If you are able, then give your time as much as you can. After doing your work or while doing your work, just try to think or try to speak. Only your speaking is going to help you. Listening and reading is important, but what is our goal? We are supposed to speak English fluently. We don't want to speak English, means broken English. So we should work on our speaking skill. Only then we are going to speak good English. So just try to speak as much as you can. There are so many apps, you can use them. Or if you don't have anyone, then go find a friend on Facebook, on WhatsApp, and just try to speak. And friends, if you get into the habit of speaking, then definitely your English is going to be improve a lot, and you are going to be a fluent English speaker. You are not going to speak broken English. And friends, if we speak good English, we are not means fumbling or stammering while speaking. It means we are good at our English. We are good. So we don't need to feel regret. We don't need to feel embarrassed. Okay, friends, this is the way, these are the tips that you have to follow if you want to speak English fluently, if you want to fix this problem of speaking broken English. So friends, we will meet again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.